So now that we've created our project, we want to define the stimulation protocol. So this is basically just to tell BrainVoyager what happened when during our experiment. So we click on Analysis, go to Stimulation Protocol, open this window. We click on Show Plot. We can create a graphical representation of our experiment. So for this file, there was a fixation followed by a condition, and there was 3 conditions in total. So we'll start by adding the fixation condition. So we want to tell BrainVoyager when these fixations happened. Now we know it happened every 4th set of 9 volumes. So every 4th box we can highlight as a fixation. We want to add that to the PRT. We also want to add the condition where the images were presented in the left visual field. And we want to add these to our stimulation protocol. There was also a condition where the images were presented in the right visual field. And again, these were every 2 sets of 9 volumes. And finally, there was the condition where the images were presented in both visual fields. And these fill in the remaining blanks in our graphical protocol here. And we want to call the experiment objects. So now that we have the sequence of our experiment and how it unfolded, we might want to change the color of some of these conditions. So we might want to change the images in right visual field to a red color, for example, and images in both visual fields to say blue. And once this is done, we want to save the PRT, and we want to save it as CG Objects PRT. So this concludes the creation of the stimulation protocol. The next step will be looking at statistical tests and time courses.